Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited about this kit. I can't wait to show it to you. I'm getting ready for my vacation this morning, but I had to stop real quick and just do a quick video and show you guys. This is Whimsical Vintage, and I fell in love with doing this kit. It was so much fun. And I wanted to get it out to you guys. I'm probably going to make another one similar to this sometime soon because I really enjoyed it. But anyway, so this kit has 8 background pages and 10 fussy cut pages. It's got a theme of, what I did was I collaged everything. All my pages have my own handmade collages on here, and then they have script and drips and coffee stains and just fun grungy elements about them. They've got florals and things that just make them look old and used up. And then in stark contrast, we have the beautiful girls in the kit that kind of just float off of the page. And that was what I really loved, was just the contrast of the difference in how beautiful and perfected they are, and then this horrible, fun, grungy background that's filled with so many, elements. So this is our first page in the kit, and as you can see, she's a little beauty in pink. And this is the one I gave you guys on the Facebook group as a freebie. So if you're not a member of the Facebook group, jump over there and join us and join our family and grab this freebie for yourself. There's another one from my prior kit as well. If you scroll through, you'll find it. So this one's very cool. It's got a lot of water damage and coffee stain damage and, fun stuff. And I loved the girls that I found for this. I thought they were so beautiful. So I just was really excited. And a lot of them will have frames around the girl just kind of floating there as a picture, surrounding her. This last one I framed her, if you notice, I framed her with coffee stain. I just thought that was kind of a fun effect. And so, yeah, I really like this one with the blues. I love blue and brown, of course, you know that. And then this one, oh my goodness, I did 2 of these with this young lady, the ballerina, because she's so beautiful, and the pictures were just perfect. So, but this one I did it with a little more florals and some fruits up here and a bird in the corner, and she's surrounded by some sunflowers, and just, yeah, just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And this girl, she was so ethereal. She reminded me of like somebody who came out of more the medieval times, and I really liked her with her beautiful red hair and more coffee stains, water drips, or coffee drips, whatever. I'm calling them coffee stains because that's the name of the brush that I used for that. So, and then over here, I really liked this with the darkness of this one, and then over here in the corner there's this splash of pink with this pretty little flower that's just kind of a faded old flower, but kind of stands out amongst all the the grungy darkness of the background. I had a lot of fun doing this collages, and I was really excited about this kit. I hope you guys like it. It is available in the Etsy shop now. So you can go over there and check it out. And then this one has more of a French theme because I find the lavender, reminds me of France because of all their lavender fields and stuff. And then we've got the Eiffel Tower here. And again, she's got some sunflowers around her and little flowers, wildflowers growing up amongst everything. And this girl is in more of a green, a deep forest green theme. I really, really liked that. I don't know. I just fell in love doing this kit, and I probably am going to do another one soon. That's what I just said a few minutes ago. I'm thinking about it because I don't know what I would do with, the people and stuff, but just that stark contrast between the grungy and the people in it, I really enjoy. And then these are some of the tags. You've got a couple of pockets here. Or not tags. Kind of tags. They're for decoration, or you can use them for tucks. And then here you do have tags. A nice big page of them. And we've got some journal cards. We got 6 of those on that size. And then here you've got tuck spots. And these, I think, can be used as little belly bands, markers. You could do mini belly bands, markers, like to put in your journal. We could do little mini pockets at the bottom of a page or bottom of a piece of ephemera. These would be nice for that. So just different types of tags and small tickets. And then we have large journal cards. And then these, I didn't put the people, I just used the backgrounds. I thought that was fun because then when you decorate them, you don't feel like you're covering up those beautiful girls, you know? Okay. And then this one is, these are smaller little tags, but they have like an octagonal shape, and I thought they were really fun. And I did a lot of them because that way if you wanted to put them throughout the journal, you know, you'd have plenty to use to just kind of bring the journal into cohesion, you know, and have it be cohesive. And then these, again, are just strips like I like to put on my stuff. So I made a page of these that you could use to strip on the sides of, you know, as a decorative strip to just bring the picture together, or you can use it on the side of a page on the edge, you know, and make that a side, you know what I mean, like a decorative edge. So I love my edges. And this one I did a big one, so you could do like a backdrop on one of your pages, and then you've got 3 more small journal cards and a belly band here. And this last page is tickets, but they're larger. I made them bigger so that you could have them for like tuck spots to do small journal cards. Okay, so that is Whimsical Vintage. And I hope you like it as much as I had fun making it. I just had to get on here and show you guys. So anyway, I love you and have a wonderful day. I'm off on vacation. We're going to be leaving today. So I just wanted to do this really quick. It's super early. It's like before 3 o'clock. It's like 4 o'clock in the morning right now. So anyway, but that's cool. I just wanted to tell you guys about the kit and let you see it in its totality. So I love you, and I will see you guys tomorrow at the devotion. Have a wonderful weekend. God bless.